guys. I don't want to take normal session. I want to take interactive session. Interactive session means every time I will be asking the questions to you. So what is your responsibility? You need to give me response. Then only class will becomes interactive session. Understood my point here? No, I am telling for both online students and offline students. Remember, I am taking the class for online and offline parallelly. You people will never face any problem. And if you have any doubts, you can open your audio. You can speak. Again, you can off your audio. I will tell the answers. Otherwise, at the end of the demo, I will give you time for discussion. So now you be ready now. See, remember, assume that you are a fresher and you don't have any knowledge in IT and you want to build a career in IT company. So many people in what year dilemma, array, which course I should do to get a job. So remember, I will tell you, first we need to choose the course, right? We need to take the course name, which is good for you so that you can get the job in a IT company. So I am choosing, assume that I am choosing the Java. Assume that we selected, array, we will do today Java course. Do you know why we should do Java course first of all? Because about job opportunities, guys. When you compare with jobs, I mean, jobs are what here? More here. Only one reason only. If anyone says, why are you doing Java course? Because there are more jobs, more opportunities. Understood my point here? Assume that there are many courses are there. Data science course is there. Even we have .NET course. Even we have Python course. Even we have blockchain, AWS. But those courses are not good for freshers. Might be .NET Python is good for freshers, but no more jobs. If you need more jobs, more interviews, then you need to go for what here? Java. That is only one reason. That's it. I am not telling who is best, who is bad, who is good, who is easy. Anyhow, you will come to know in my demo. But remember why we should do Java, because we have what here? More jobs. If you see this, iHub Talent also, our institute. In iHub Institute, more and more students got placed in Java only. You can check total list also. I will show you today. Don't worry. So let me start my demo. I hope everybody came now. Everybody came. So I hope everybody is ready. So tell me, shall I start my demo now? Yes, online student, shall I start my demo?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good, very good. You can speak, you can off your audio. You can off your audio. Very good, guys. So this is what I need. I need interactive session. So whenever I'm asking the questions, you tell the answers. Okay, very good, guys. So now you can see here. Let me tell you about your batch number. Remember in our institute, in our training center, for every batch, we will give one batch number. Don't open, Pawan. You can off your video. So for every batch, we will give batch number. Do you know what is your batch number? iHub Java 015, 15th batch. For example, there are some online students are there here. Assume that Suresh is there. Tomorrow, Suresh is messaging me. Sir, I am Suresh. Sir, I have some problem. So I will not understand who is this Suresh. If you say, I am Suresh from batch 15, then I will understand immediately. Understood my point here now? So management will also recognize you based on batch number only. So what is your batch number? 15 is your batch number. Remember that point here. Next is what here? Comes to the what here? Institute name, guys. Comes to institute name. Close the door. Our institute name is iHub Talent Management. Even we will have one more institute called Quality Thought. So both our institutes only, you can say iHub Talent Management or you can say Quality Thought. Next is what here about websites. Because when you are learning in any institute, you should know about websites also. So what are the websites we have? www.ihubtalent.com. This is one website. And even we have www.qualitythought.in. This is another website. So let me open both the websites. I will show you what is our website. Copy this. Let me go to the browser. In this browser, I want to paste that address. So now you can see this. This is our website. You can see here. This is iHub Talent website is there here. You can learn many more things. Even you can read reviews also. The students gave a lot of reviews. You can see here. Okay. That is one. One more we have what here? Quality Thought, T-O-U-G-S-T, thought.in. So this is also another website for our institute. This is what here? Another website. Understood my point here now? So I'm just giving some general information so that you can understand easily. Alam, you are telling no sound. Huh? 1 second, 1 second. So problem with your side only, Alam. Just leave the meeting, again rejoin. That sound will come. Okay? Alam, I am telling you. Leave the meeting and rejoin. Alam. Problem will solve. Okay? So now let's see this one now. This is what here we have. This is our official website. Even you can read the information. Have you seen this Katappa? He is our brand ambassador. So he do advertisement for our institute. Okay, he is our brand ambassador now. Okay. So I hope you people understood what is your batch number, what is your institute name, and what are the websites are there here, websites. So might be one question is coming in your mind. Today, management told me demo is there. I came for demo directly. I don't have notes. Where I can write the today's class notes. You don't need to write the notes. Every day, I will write the notes in the class. And I will give it to you in WhatsApp group. Remember, we will create one WhatsApp group with the same name, Java 15th batch. So in that WhatsApp group, I will be there. Don't worry. So we will send the notes daily in that WhatsApp group only. So you don't need to spend your time. You don't need to waste your time in writing. You need to spend your time in practicals. Understood my point here, no? So this is what the institute details. This is the institute details. And let me talk about me, guys. My trainer name. See, you can call me Niyaz sir, guys. You can call me Niyaz sir. And coming to my experience, I have 11 plus years of experience in development and training. So development means what here? Development means I'm working for what here? Verizon company, guys. Currently, I'm working for what? Verizon company. That is US project. I'm a contract employee. I'm a contract employee. And next is what here comes to the training. Training means I'm giving training for iHub Talent Management. Or you can say what here? Quality Thought. Okay. This is what about experience about me, guys. Okay. Anyhow, trainer name is not important. Institute name is not important. For us, what is important is nothing but our batch number. Batch number is important. Okay. And experience of the trainer is important. Okay. So now this is what here some general details I gave. General details. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to start the course now. Now I want to start my demo now. So what I want to tell you now, see, assume that I am a technical person or a non-technical person. So I don't know which course I should do. Remember, if you go to any job portal, you know, job portals. Job portals means Indeed, Naukri, okay, Shine, okay, LinkedIn. These are known as what here? Job portals, where we can apply for jobs. Assume that my point here now. So every job portals is having JD list. JD means job description. Every job portal is having what? JD. JD means what here? Job description. So job description, if you see any job description today, today company peoples are looking for full stack developers. They're looking for what here? Full stack developers. So might be you don't know what is full stack developers. To become a full stack developer, you need to do full stack development course. What you need to do? Full stack development course you need to do. So full stack development course means in Java also we have full stack development course. That is called Java full stack development course. Even we have .NET full stack development course. Even Mun stack, Mean stack. Even if there is a Python development full stack course. So for everybody we have what here? Full stack development course. That is also known as FSD. FSD means what? Full stack development course. Understood my point here? So today in our demo also, in our classes also, we are going to learn full stack development course only. Okay, full stack development course means what it will come? We don't know anything. So explain to me what are the things will come in full stack development course. So remember in this full stack development course, first we have front end. We have a front end. Then second we have middle layer technology. We have middle layer technology. Last we have, remember, last. Okay. So last we have, what I can say, backend technology. So remember that point here, full stack means mainly we have what here? Three things. One is called front end, one is called a middle layer, one is called backend. So now the question will come, sir, front end, I didn't understand. Many people are thinking in a IT company means front end, back end only. But remember that is absolutely wrong. If you are a full stack developer or if you want to learn full stack development course, remember there are three technologies will come. Front end technologies, middle layer technologies, back end technologies. So in our course, we are going to learn all these three technologies. Sir, in front end, what are the things you are teaching? I will give you training on HTML5. I will give you teaching on CSS3. Then I will give you teaching on JavaScript. Then I will give you teaching on Bootstrap 5. Main important is React, or you can say React.js. So if anyone says, what is React and React.js is nothing but it comes under what here? Front-end technology. So this is very important technology is there here. And to learn this React only, we need to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. If you learn those technology, then only you can learn what? React. Then these are the technologies comes under front end. Then after that, I need to go for what here? Middle layer technology. Middle layer technology is nothing but we need to learn Java. So many people are thinking, "Arey, sir, Java comes under backend." No. Java actually comes under what here? Middle layer. Why? Because we are learning which course? Full stack development course. So those who learn only full stack development course, for those people, Java is not a backend, it is a middle layer. So middle layer Java is there here. Java means we need to learn core Java. We need to learn advanced Java. Advanced Java. We need to learn both. Okay. Again, question will come. In advanced Java, we will learn three technologies. One is called JDBC. One is called servlets. One is called JSP. Understood my point here now? So remember that point here. So in Java, we are learning what? Core Java and advanced Java. In advanced Java, what we are learning? JDBC, servlets, JSP. These are the three technologies we will learn in advanced Java. And learning these three technologies is nothing but learning advanced Java. Okay, sir, what comes under backend? Then what comes under backend? In the backend, what it will comes means Oracle. Oracle is actually one database. So we are learning Oracle database in the backend. Understood my point here now? So remember, what is our main technologies today? Our main technologies is React, or you can say React.js. Next to what we have? Java. Then we have what? Database. So these are the technologies we are going to cover in full stack development course. And remember, along with this course, I will explain. JDBC is nothing but it is used to communicate with database. Servlets and JSP both are used to communicate with servers. So why we will learn JDBC? To communicate with database. Why we will learn servlet and JSP? To communicate with server. So it is advanced Java is very high level. Don't focus on that one. I will give you separate discussion on JDBC, servlet and JSP later. But today we are going to learn only on core Java. So you can ask question related on core Java. So see this in the backend we have what here? Oracle database. Sir, only this much technologies you are teaching in our course, huh? No. Along with this, what I am giving, I will tell you. Along with this course, I will give you frameworks. Remember, I will give you frameworks. I will give you the frameworks. So might be question is coming, what is frameworks? See, in the companies, we are working with frameworks only. Understood my point here? No? In the companies, we are working with what? Alam Akil Yadav. Okay. So please don't do anything. Otherwise, I will leave the meeting. Okay. So now you can see this. So frameworks is there here. Frameworks means what here? There are three technologies are there here. Or I can say mainly two only as per our course. One is called what here? Spring Boot. Then I can say Spring Microservices. So tell me total how many frameworks I am going to teach you? Two frameworks. What are those? Spring Boot, Spring Microservices. These are two are known as frameworks which I am going to teach you. Along with these frameworks, I will give you knowledge on SDLC. You know SDLC, Software Development Life Cycle. Even I will give you one more difference between waterfall model and, or I can say versus agile. I will give you one more interview. I mean, this is very, very important for freshers as well as for experienced people. What is the difference between waterfall model and agile? So that also I will give you the information. Along with this, what I will teach you, I will be teaching you real-time tools, guys. Real-time tools means I will teach you Git, or you can say GitHub. Then I will teach you Maven. Otherwise, I will teach you Gradle. Even I will teach you one more is known as JUnit. JUnit. Even we have one more real-time tool that is called Jenkins. Understood my point here? These are the real-time tools we are going to learn in our classes. Okay. Along with this, I will give you one Java project also. One Java project I will give you. For example, some students are from intermediate. Some students are from BSc or BCom. So they don't have IT project. So you don't worry. I will give you one project which is there with me, along with documentation, code, screen outputs, everything. Total documentation is there here. And even along with this, we are giving you three resumes we will give this. How many resumes we will give? 3 on Java, 3 on React. Sir, I didn't understand. Why you are telling 3 resumes on Java, 3 resumes on React? See, remember that point here. The course which I am showing to you, it's a full stack development course. So if you do this course, you can apply for 2 positions. One, you can apply for React developer. Otherwise, you can apply for Java developer. Otherwise, you can get into the company as a full stack developer. Full stack developer means you know React also, you know Java also. Understood my point here? So remember, that is the reason I am telling you. I will give you 3 sample resumes, 3 on Java, 3 on React. Total 6 resumes I will give it to you. You don't need to prepare. Anyhow, you people are good in copy paste, right? Same thing we will follow. So after this, what we will do, I will give you free recorded videos. So you don't need to pay any money. Free. Once if you're done with registration, they will give you free recorded videos. And remember, I am taking this session today. Remember, this session is also getting recorded. And this recorded video will be given to you. One student asked me, sir, are you doing recording? Will you give recording videos or not? Yes, we'll give you recorded videos every day. Those who done with registration, for them only we will give, that is free. So next is what here. Along with this, I want to tell you, we are giving soft skills classes. Assume that when you are going for an interview, in interview first there will be self-introduction. They will ask you what is your achievements, memorable moment, who is your idol. They will give you topic. They will give you essay writing. Anything they can ask is. So how can you clear that round means with the help of soft skills classes. Then after that, we will give you aptitude classes also. So aptitude classes will be there, guys. Remember, you are a fresher. If fresher is going for an interview, written test is compulsory, guys. In the written test, they will ask you aptitude questions only. For experienced people, they never ask aptitude questions. But if you are a fresher, definitely they will ask you aptitude questions. The first round will be aptitude round only. Written test only. So to clear that round, you need to attend aptitude classes also. So after that, what I want to tell you is mode. Mode means you can attend online or you can attend offline. Both is valid. Even today, I'm taking demo for online student and offline student parallelly. So what I mean to say is nothing but if you come for offline class, it is good. You will come to know how many people are getting place every month. How management is treating you. Because it is total 8 hours plan, guys. This training is for 8 hours. Assume that tomorrow if I got an offer letter in from Capgemini or Cognizant. So you know how many hours of training? 8 hours of training will be there. So same structure we will follow here also. 2 hours Java class, 2 hours soft skills class, 2 hours aptitude class, 2 hours practicals class. So total how many hours? 8 hours. 1 hour for lunch. Because some people will stay in the hostel. So they require some more time to go and come. So that is the reason. Understood my point here, no? So that is what the mode you can attend online and offline. See, one student asking me is like, who got recently placed? From last 3 months data I'm showing to you. I think your friends already learning the course from here, right? You can discuss with them also. Whatever the names I'm showing you, you just discuss with your friend. They will tell you the information. See this here, we have a placements. Placements means these are the people who recently placed from last 3 months. So you can see this. We have a Bhavani. She got with 3.5 lakhs package. Even we have Vamsi. Vamsi also joined in the same company, guys. Eurasian. Next is what here? Umesh Chandra. He got placed in TCS. Rafiq, Urios. Bhavana. Biswajit Sahu is in Apollo Healthcare. Apollo Healthcare means don't think it is only hospital. Apollo Healthcare company is also there. He got placed in that. Rahmat Vinayati, Lakshmaya. And remember, Fusion Tech Partners. This is a company name, Fusion Tech Partners. 5 students got placed in that company. One is Lakshmaya, Pawan Sai, Lakshmi, Suryavamshi, Farooq. And then, sorry, 6 members. Asif Khan is also there. You can see the below, Fusion Tech Partners. And then we have what here? M. Chandra. She plays in December only. Solix, she also plays. They are from same batch. They are from 12th batch. Chandana, Samrin, Amrin. Amrin got job in Black Knight. And Chandana got in what here? Solix. Then even we have what here? Prutasham Reddy. He got placed in what here? React.js. Because I told you, you have 2 positions now. See, you are in X road. You want to go left side, you can go left side. You can go right side, you can go right side. So he got placed. Even we got what here? Hari Babu. He got job in Mr. Soft. Even we got Sangeeta, Rahul Singh, Subba Reddy, even Lekhana. She got with 6 lakhs. In this company, same Fusion Tech Partners is our close client. In this total, 4 or 5 members got selected. Lekhana, Raghavendra Rao, Yadav, Srikant, Gopi Krishna. Understood my point here now? Depends. Depends upon the what your client and depends upon the requirement, guys. So you can see here, you can ask to your friends also. Whenever student gets selected in a company, we'll create testimonial. The images which I shown you now, that is called testimonial. That testimonial we will send in every WhatsApp group. And we will show to others. This student got place. You also work hard and get the place in the company. Understood my point here now? So I hope you people understood the placement criteria also. Yeah, we'll discuss that one in the last. Don't worry. Till now, I didn't started my demo. I just explained the course details only. Did I started my demo? No, I didn't started my demo. So I hope you people understood about the course details only. And you don't need to write the notes. I am saving these notes for you. See this. Control S. I will go to E drive. There is a one folder is there. iHub training batches. In this iHub training batches, I will create one folder. iHub Java 015, 15th batch. In the 15th batch, I want to give you as introduction, first introduction 1. I'm saving the notes for you people. You just listen. You just tell me the answers. Are you ready? Shall I start Java now? Sir. Okay. So now let's see this one. Now I want to start with Java. For example, assume that tomorrow you are going for an interview. Interviewer will ask one question to you. What is Java? Many people will say, sir, Java is a programming language. C is a programming language. C++ programming language. .NET programming language. Python also what? Programming language. So before we learn Java, first what we should learn what is programming language. We should learn what is programming language. So let's see this last row. You can see here. Assume that I am taking a paint. Assume that there is a one user is there here. This is one user. Okay. He is not eating anything. Assume that. This is one user is there here. Let's say he is a what here? User. Now what user wants to do? User wants to communicate with machine. Machine means computer. In the real time, we never say computer. We always pronounce what here? Machine. Assume that this is what? Computer. So tell me, user wants to interact with computer. User wants to communicate with computer. So how it is possible? Because of programming language. Because of programming language. So tell me, if tomorrow, if anybody asks you, what is programming language? Language which is used to communicate between user and computer. Yes or no, tell me, using programming language only, user is communicating with computer. So remember, here programming language acts like a mediator. Your programming language acts like a interface between user and computer. Assume that tomorrow you are going for an interview. Interviewer will ask you one question. Can you please tell me what is operating system? Definitely you will tell one answer. Sir, operating system is a mediator. Sir, operating system is an interface between software components and hardware components. So tell me, operating system is a mediator between software components and hardware components. Similarly, programming language is also acting like a mediator or interface between user and computer. So let me write the notes for you people. So let me say, programming language acts, or I can say, a language which is used to communicate between user and computer is called a programming language. Next is what? Programming language acts like a mediator or interface between user and computer. Yes or no, tell me? And this is the diagram for our class. Diagram introduction 1.1 means first introduction class, first diagram. So let me save the diagram for you people because you are not writing the notes. I will save the notes. I need to go to E drive. I have training Java 15. And this is nothing but what here? Introduction 1.1. So diagram also save. You don't need to write the notes. So tell me, if anyone says what is Java? Java is a what? Programming language. But remember, but in interviews, don't tell that Java is a programming language. Non-technical people will say Java is a programming language. Remember, if interviewer is asking one question to you, what is Java? So always tell Java is a object-oriented programming language. It's not a normal programming language. It is an object-oriented programming language. So definitely one question is coming in your mind. Sir, what is this object-oriented, sir? Can you explain to me? Yes. Assume that you have some data. In Java, you have some data. So remember, data we can store in two places. In Java, our data we can store in two places. One we can store inside variables. One we can store inside objects. So tell me, in Java, where we can store our data? We can store our data inside variables. We can store our data inside objects. That is the reason whenever you are going for an interview, interviewer will ask you one question. Can you please tell me in how many formats we can store our data? So we can store our data in two formats: variable format, object format. Understood my point here now? Sir, I don't know what is the difference between variables and objects. Can you tell me what is variables, what is objects, and what is the difference? I don't know what is variables, objects. Okay, I will give you diagram. With that diagram, you'll understand this definition now. So let me go to the painter. I'm going to the painter. Assume that I will take two computers. Two computers means two machines. So let's say first computer, I can say machine 1. I can say tire 1. Even I can say layer 1. All names are pretty same. So I can say machine, computer, tire 1, layer 1. And now I will take another computer here. Another computer I will take. This is my another computer. And let me mention this as machine 2. Machine 2, computer 2, tire 2, and layer 2. Two computers are there. So let me talk about online person only. Assume that we have a Suresh. Even we have what here? Aman. So assume that this is a Suresh computer. This is Suresh computer. And this is what here? Aman computer. So now what happened? Suresh is there in one place. Aman is there in another place. So tell me, two computers can communicate directly? Not possible. Not possible. They cannot communicate directly. So what we need to do here? So definitely. So yeah, we'll discuss that one later. Wait. First, let me finish demo. Then you can ask me the questions. So now you can see this. There are two computers are there here. Two computers. So to communicate both computers, we required network. Network is nothing but internet. So tell me, when they have network, now both they can communicate or not? Yes. Now both they can communicate if they have what here? Network. Now Suresh can communicate with Aman. Aman can communicate with Suresh. Remember, because of this network only, I am taking class for online students. If no network, no class for them. They are in one place. I am there in another place. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes. So we got network also. We have internet. Now assume that Suresh is having some data. Data means assume that I am taking A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20. So there are two data is there, 10 and 20. So that data, where it is present, A and B are known as variables. Understood my point here now? So tell me, Suresh is having two data. The two data is present inside variables. So what happens? What happens if my data is present in variables? See, whenever Suresh is sending this data, assume that Suresh wants to send this data. So whenever Suresh is sending this data, each data will go to the network and network will pass the data to machine 2. Understood my point here no? So how many data he is sending? Two data. How many times data will go to the network? 2 times. Assume that Suresh is having 100 data, 100 variables, and he is sending the data to Aman. So definitely here network will use 100 times. So what happens? Usage of network is increasing. Burden on network is increasing. Because of that, performance is decreasing. To overcome these limitations, what we are doing is nothing but we are telling to the user, don't store your data inside variables. You can store your data inside object. This is the object diagram in Java. So now tell me, my data is present inside objects. Now, whenever we want to send the data from one computer to another computer, we need to send this object. We need to send like this. Tell me how many times network is using? One time only, na? Yes. It is using one time only. In objects, you can store thousands of data also, no problem. But we are sending this object from one machine to another machine just only for one time. So tell me, network round trips are reduced. Burden on network will reduce. and performance will increase. Now tell me, working with variables is good or working with object is good? Working with object is good. That is the reason every language support object-oriented features. You go and check C++. C++ is a object-oriented. You go and check C#. C# is a object-oriented. You go and check .NET. .NET is a object-oriented. You check Python. Python is a object-oriented. You take TypeScript. TypeScript is also object-oriented. Today, whatever the modern languages are coming in the market, all languages supporting object-oriented features only. They are dealing with objects only. Understood my point here now? So remember, that is the reason whenever you go for an interview, if anyone says what is Java, what is your answer? Java is a object-oriented programming language. Why we will say it's object-oriented? Because Java is dealing with objects. Understood my point here now? Very good, sir. That is only one definition. Sir, one definition is enough? No. Array, many students I have seen, they will tell one line sentence, one word. Do you think that if you say one word, one line sentence, you will get job? Nobody will give you job, man. So let me give you what is the second definition of Java. See, Java is also known as platform independent programming language. So platform independent means what? Sir, I didn't understand. Platform means shall I go to railway station, sir? No, not that platform. So platform means I will tell you what we should do. So platform means I will give you one more diagram to you. Assume that we have multiple operating systems. This is one operating system. This is another operating system. This is another operating system. And this is another operating system. Let's say this is everybody understood now? Sir. Till here understood? Okay. First, let me give the priority to online people. Let me discuss with online people. Online people, did you understand my demo?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One student. You can ask me. You can write in chat box. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No problem. So remember, don't think that actually today demo is not completed, guys. We seen only course details. And when I started Java, our manager came and he also gave some, he also shared some knowledge and data. So anyhow, I will continue this demo tomorrow. Don't worry. So next 3 days, we will be having demos only. One student asked me, sir, how many days? Demo means don't think it's a waste of time, man. Remember, today also you came for demo. Do you think that it's a waste of time? Today you learn about full stack development course. What is full stack development course? Second is, if you do this course, assume that, I will tell you one thing, 20,000 is not a big amount, guys. Today you take this course details, you go and check in every institute today. React.js, front-end, Java, frameworks, database, along with free recorded videos. You compare with this. If anybody is giving less than 20,000, come and talk to me. I will give you for free only. I will give you guarantee. Nobody will give you. So remember, it's a good opportunity. Otherwise, you can ask existing students. They paid 25 to 30,000 and they will give offer only for one day only. So it's up your opportunity. If you need job, you do. If not, it's your wish. And remember, those who are eligible, for them only we will call. Assume that if you have huge gap, assume that one student told that we have huge gap. So we will talk to him separately. So you cannot go as a fresher. Because in some companies, they will say we required candidate from 2019. Some companies will say we required a candidate from 2018 last. If you are below than that, we can't give you guarantee. Understood my point here now? If we can't give guarantee means we will not take registration also. So remember, those who are eligible, because many companies are there, guys. There are 3 types of companies are there: MNC, medium scale company, small scale company. If you go to MNC people will say we required BTech engineering students only, MCA students only. But if you go to small scale company, they will say BSc, BCom also. Small scale company also say like that only. So those who are from BCom, BSc and other background, so don't think that you will get MNC company only. So it depends. You will get medium scale company, even you will get small scale company, but package will be the same. What we want at last, package only, na? Yes or no, tell me. And remember, working with small companies is always good. You can grow your skills in small scale companies. So this is enough for today. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. So we'll continue what is Java. We didn't finish what is Java. I will continue. And the notes I will save with me. So what they do, management will create one WhatsApp group. So once if they create WhatsApp group, I will dump these files in that WhatsApp group. So if you have any question, you can message me, no problem. My number will be there in WhatsApp group. Okay, na? This is enough for today, guys. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Okay.